welcome back to my channel, Just a Girl in a Construction World. Today is the beginning of the build officially. So up until this point, everything has been groundwork. Today is the day that everything on paper actually comes to life. I am so excited and I can't believe it's finally time for the foundation. So I'm gonna head over to the property in a second. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I think the foundation crew's already there. And I don't know how much they have done. Pretty early in the morning, and yeah, I think they are just now getting there. So we're gonna head on over, see what they're up to, and see the progress. I'm really excited to bring you guys along. Hopefully we don't have any more delays or anything like that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get
We're in day one of foundation. I just got to the property and they have already gotten so much done. So let's go check it out. Okay, so they put this like barrier wall thing up so that when they start to pour, it will all be within these walls. This is the guest bedroom, walk-in closet, my closet. It's another view of everything. An inspection scheduled for tomorrow. So, yeah. Okay, update. This is definitely the truck bringing the concrete. Oh my gosh, there is 2 trucks. Okay, this is also day 2. The foundation had to be on a pause yesterday because they had a delay in the order, like cancellations. So they came today, and would you look at that? 3 trucks here. All right. Oh wow, they got a lot done this morning. We have inspection today for everything, so this is so cool. Little walk-in closets. All right. Okay guys, so as you can see now, the inspector came and inspected all of the work for the foundation, which we needed before we could start pouring, and we passed, so that was super awesome. And after that, I decided I wanted to treat the workers. I know that they've been working super hard since early in the morning, so I went on a ride and picked them up a huge pizza, as you can see. And when I was on my way back to the property, literally around the corner, there was this huge dog in the middle of the road. So I pulled over and I opened the door, and he just hopped in my car and actually sat right on top of the pizza, and I had to pull it from under him. I luckily did find his home, and with that being said, we were back to the property to start pouring. Guys successfully made it back, and the foundation is about to start pouring. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. Update: it started raining, but it's also sunny. So welcome to Seattle. All right, you guys. Hello. Hi.
Gotta get my good side.
Oh yeah, pose for me. All right guys, so we have 3 trucks of concrete and they are about to start pouring. So I'm going to see if I can get a little bit closer, but I don't really want to get in their way, but this should be done by today. So this is really exciting. Also update, I don't know if you guys can see, it's freaking snowing. Can you guys see this? So I'm really hoping this doesn't delay it, but it is literally snowing right now. So totally just realized they already started putting some down. If you can see in the frame here, it's filled with concrete. Same with like over there all around. Everything is filled already. So that's pretty awesome. All right. And then we have him, he's scraping all of it that came off on the sides, inside of the walls here. He's making his way around. So far, we've done all of this. It is snowing and we are getting it done. Rain or snow, here we go. Snow is really coming down right now and they are making their way fast. We've done this whole area. Okay, it stopped snowing and they are just touching up the concrete that was just poured. Okay guys, quick update. I'm headed to get the workers some more lunch just because they've been working super hard, so let's go do that. Guys, I got all the lunch, got some enchiladas, some burritos, tacos. Now we are headed back to the house. Property, it is super sunny right now, you guys. And I'm gonna go see how much work got done. It's like all full to the top, you guys. Got a lot done. I was only gone for like 25 minutes, so this is great. Just looked at this. This side is completely done with these walls. Completely solid. Waiting on the last truck of the concrete to come. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna stick around, but maybe I will. We'll see. Okay, you guys, so it's the very next day, and this is day 3. And look at this. You have the foundation walls up. Oh my gosh. Looks so great, you guys.
Guys, so with that being said, we are all done with foundation. I am so excited. It's currently February 20th, so foundation took exactly 3 days. I'm really happy. We didn't have any crazy delays or anything. We passed inspection on our first go around, which is amazing, as you guys saw in the video. And the next step is post and beam. So we're gonna get the footings and everything put in and start framing up the house. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, if you have any questions, please comment down below or DM me on Instagram. It will be linked in the description. And yeah, I will see you guys when the house is getting all framed up. So this process is happening super quick. I'm really excited. And it's just kind of like a dream come true. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!